I'm R.S. Chatrawat from Department of Mechanical Engineering. Hi, good morning everyone. In the since today's lecture we will discuss the problem based on optist code system used in group technology. Before to find the optist from code, we discuss the classification and codification. Classification involve arranging items into groups according to some system whereby like things are brought together by virtue of their similarities and are then separated according to a specific differences. Code can be a system used in information processing in which numbers or letters are given a certain meaning. The classification and coding system should meet the following basic requirements. First of all, permanent characteristics means to be based upon permanent characteristics. Next, to be mutually exclusive. Next, to be all embracing and offer company wide applications, and to be adaptable to computer processing, to be specific to user needs, to be adaptable to future changes. Coding systems in group technology means the code structure for part families typically consist of numbers, of letters, or of a combination of the two. Each specific components is assigned a code generally less than 12 digits. This code may belong to design attributes only or to manufacturing attributes only. Means design attributes means these relate to similarities in geometric features of the part, and manufacturing attributes means these relate to similarity in process involved in manufacturing of the part. Since the above attributes consist of various situations, it is time consuming for coding them. So, coding can be done by viewing the shapes of the parts in a generic way and then classifying the parts accordingly. The coding systems, three levels of coding are follows. First, monocodes, hierarchical coding, and polycodes. Third, decision tree codings. Monocodes hierarchical codings, the interpretation of each succeeding digits depends on the value of the process preceding digit. Next, each symbol amplifies the information contained in the preceding digit. So, a digit in the code cannot be interpreted alone. The advantage of this system is that a short code can contain a large amount of information, but this method is difficult to apply in a computerized system. Next, polycodes. Polycodes are also known as chain type. In this code, each digit has its own interpretation, which does not depend on the preceding digit. This structure looks to be lengthy, but it allows the identification of specific parts, attributes, and it is suited to computerized system. Next, decision tree coding. This system is also called hybrid codes. It is the most advanced and it combines both design and manufacturing attributes. Classification and coding system which are commonly used in group technology applications. First, Optis system, multi-class system and miscellaneous system. The part classification and coding system in the basic code consists of 9 digits which can be extended by adding 4 more digits. The first 9 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 are indented to convey both design and manufacturing data. The general interpretation of the 9 digits known as primary code. The first 5 codes 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5 are called the form code and describe the primary design attributes of the part. The next 4 digits 6, 7, 8, 9 constitute the supplementary code. It indicates some of the attributes that would be of use to manufacturing, means dimensions, work materials, startings, rope, workpiece, shape and accuracy. The extra 4 digit capital A, B, C, D are referred to as the secondary code and are intended to identify the production operation type and sequence. The secondary code can be designed by the firm to serve its own particular needs. Next, the complete coding system is too complex to provide a comprehensive description here. Let us an example the first 5 digits of the code, the form code. The first 5 digits identifies whether the part is a rotational or a non-rotational part. It is also described the general shape and proportional of the part. In this figure, we show the limit hour survey to rotational parts processing no unusual features. Those with the codes value 0, 1 or 2. Next, we discuss the problem based on optimism coding system in which given part design of figure define the form code the first 5 digits using the optim system. In these figures the length is 15 and total dimensions are given. The overall length by diameter ratio L by D equal to 1.5. So the first digit code equal to 1. The part is stepped on both ends with a screw threads on one end. So the second digit code would be 5. The third digit code is 1 because of the throw hole. The fourth and fifth digits are both 0 since no surface machining is required and there are no auxiliary holes or gear teeth on the part. The complete form code in the optimism system is 15100. To add the supplementary code, we would have to properly code the 6th through 9th digits with data on dimension, materials, starting workpiece, shape and accuracy. So we solve the optics coding program from the previous basic structure of the optic cost system diagram and form code digit 1 through 5 for rotational parts in the optics system. Thank you.